Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dama and today I'm going to be showing you guys my pamper face routine. I try to do this once a week, usually on Sunday, to really relax and pamper myself and get ready for the week. I went ahead and brushed my hair and applied this Love Beauty and Planet Magic Mask. Oh my gosh guys, this makes your hair so smooth and silky and just so soft. I really like it. I concentrate mostly on my ends just because those are the driest, and whatever's left over a little closer to the root of my hair. And I also brush it out just so it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. And today I'm going to be braiding it just because I don't want my hair on my face. So once my hair is all braided, I'm going to be doing my first mask. This is the Queen Helen Mud Pack Mask, and I'm going to be applying it with this facial applicator that I bought in Amazon. And I really love this mud mask just because it really warms up your skin once it's completely dry. And this is great to remove impurities and toxins from your skin. And I'm using the DeVol Radiant Spin Care System. This one I've really been loving. I typically use the face cleansing brush head. It has different heads. Today I'm using the exfoliating brush just to go a little further today. It also has the body cleansing brush, which is perfect for before the beach to get an even tan. And it also has the pumice stone for your feet. I've really been loving this little brush every day with that Cetaphil just because it is super gentle and it feels like I'm really cleansing my face. Now I'm using my Andalou Lemon Face Scrub, and I bought this one at Marshall's. This is like my fourth little tub. I love using this. I love how it smells. And I'm just going to apply it on my face and gently guide it through your face. Don't press on your skin so much just because it could be a little harsh on your skin. Again, just like super lightly on your face. And this is perfect to exfoliate and remove any dead skin cells. And I put a headband on my hair to remove any flyaways from my face. I'm going to be using the Era Ionic Facial Steamer by Vanity Planet. And I use distilled water to the max level and just plop it in there. This is so soothing and pampering. And I believe an entire cycle is 15 minutes. I use an entire cycle on my face. This is great to really detoxify and clarify and hydrate your face. And once you're done with this, all the skincare products are going to really be absorbed by your skin. It's going to be way more receptive and really absorb all those nutrients of those serums and those face creams you're going to be applying. And once I'm done steaming my face, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Exfora Personal Microdermabrasion Wand, also from Vanity Planet. I like to use the guided exfoliation button just because it tells you where you should be doing it on your face, and it times out to move forward to the next area. You do your cheeks, your nose, your forehead, the side of your eyes, your chin, and also your neck. And this is great to remove and suction dead skin cells and reduce fine lines and wrinkles, which I don't want fine lines and wrinkles. At least for now, I'm trying to prevent them. And now moving on to the Alba sheet mask. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I love using sheet masks, especially if I'm cleaning. I put one of these on and just apply it on, and any of the extra juice that's left on the little packet on the inside, I like to also apply it on my neck and collarbone, just because those areas are sometimes areas that we forget, but they also obviously need some care as well. And for toner, I'm going to be using the Andalou Naturals Willow Bark Toner. This is one of my favorite steps just because it feels really cooling and refreshing on the skin. And once I'm done toning my face, I'm going to be using hyaluronic acid and vitamin C serum from Skin Nutritions. This one my sister gave me, so shout out to my sister. And this facial gua sha massage tool is great to relieve tension and increases the circulation on your skin and boosts lymphatic drainage. First, I'm just going to be distributing the serum all over my face, and then I'm going to be massaging my face. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a massage for your face. It feels so good. I highly recommend it. I was doing a lot of research on finding the perfect tool, and I was going to buy one in eBay and in Amazon, but they didn't seem like the best of quality, so I decided to buy this one from Sephora, and so far I really love it. The shape is perfect, so really have been loving and adding this to my face routine as well. And now I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Bare Haven Essential Moisturizing Soft Cream. I bought this one also at Marshall's. Always check out Marshall's for really great skincare. I love going to Marshall's just because I get to try really good brands at very affordable prices. And this one I've been using and it feels so good. It feels really clean. It doesn't have too much perfume and it just really absorbs into my skin. And I'm going to be extending that cream on my neck as well and collarbone. And moving on to the eye area, I'm going to be using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream that also has hyaluronic acid. And I really love this eye cream because I can tell that it's being absorbed. I have bought other ones and I feel like it's just sitting on the top of my skin. And now moving forward to my eyebrows, I'm just applying castor oil because I've heard that it really makes your eyebrow hairs grow a lot. So I'm just kind of letting them grow right now, grow out a little bit. I feel like I over tweezed them. So I'm just going through that growing out eyebrow phase right now. So once I apply that castor oil, I just kind of massage my eyebrows a little bit to improve circulation there. And the final step, guys, I swear this is the final step, and most likely my favorite step just because it is the final finishing step. I'm using the Manna Kadar Hydrating Face Mist, and this feels so good on your skin, so refreshing and cooling, and it smells like roses and spa, so love that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Mwah.